Hello, this is Mrs. Thompson. I am going to go over the pacing guide to kind of give you an idea of what or how to use the pacing guide. So the pacing guide is kind of going to be your holy grail of second grade. It's going to help you to know what to do, how to stay on track, what needs to be completed and when, all of that fun stuff. So here is August and September's. We will send these out monthly. That way you can kind of plan ahead. First thing you need to do is start with the week of what week we're on, I guess. So the week of August 24th through 26th. As you can see, we will read this actually from left to right, then from top starting on Monday to the bottom ending on Friday. So if you find Monday and Tuesday, you can see there is no school on Monday or Tuesday. Wednesday and Thursday are full of orientations. Some of those orientations are going to be for new students, some will be for returning students. School online learning courses that you can find in your courses tab on the OLS. That would be a good day to start that. But we also added them to next week, the week of August 29th through September 7th. We will have homeroom on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of this week. But as you can see, there are no other lessons due. So if you can't get the online learning course done on Friday, you can definitely work on them through next week. Okay, knit and gritty. You can also see, sorry, we are going to be doing the Fast Bridge assessments August 29th through September 2nd. Those are just going to be your reading and math beginning of the year assessments. We will do them 3 times a year. This just helps us, especially this time of year, to see what or how your student learns. We get to know them better as a learner. So if we start by the week of September 5th through 9th, you can see again, Monday, no school for Labor Day, so no lessons are due. On Tuesday, it is count day, so it is a little bit more. There is going to be more assigned on this count day. We will go over that in one of the orientation sessions the week of August 29th. So just kind of don't worry too much about that right now. But you can see this is ELA. ELA is English Language Arts. In short, it's going to be your reading, your writing, your grammar, phonics, those types of things. So all of that falls under here. So your ELA lessons are actually going to be a little more intense than the rest of them. So I would recommend ELA definitely just doing one lesson a day. As you can see on Tuesday, you will start with Unit 1, Lesson 1, and you will complete activity book pages 1 through 6. Math, these are the OLS lessons, Unit 1, Lesson 1, but in math we will not teach the OLS lessons. We will actually teach Engage New York as well as the rest of KSVA does. Science, you will have Unit 1, Lesson 1. Social Studies, Unit 1, Lesson 1 and 2, and Fitness and Health, Unit 1, Lesson 1. Looking down for September 12th through 16th, you can see this MS Material Magic 1. That MS stands for Mystery Science. Mystery Science is another science curriculum that we use that helps teach or reach the Kansas State standards a little bit better, but we do have the OLS science lessons as well. So we will be teaching on Tuesdays, Mystery Science Material Magic. On the second grade website, you will find the materials that you need for the week. If your student would like to participate with the experiments with me, I will have them. Mrs. Donham will have them too. That way we can kind of do the experiment whole group. But so you can find those again on the second grade website if you want to participate, but not required. Looking ahead, social studies is generally going to be due on a Friday. You do not have to wait till Friday to complete that lesson. You can access the courses online, go to social studies, or you can even look at your plan for the week and just tab over to Friday. And let's say on maybe Wednesday you have some extra time that you thought, oh, we could get that done quick. You can definitely go in to the plan, scroll over to the, or click over to the Friday, and then you can access that there. If you need help with that or unsure how to access courses or lessons that are due a couple days ahead, just let me know or let your teacher know, and we can definitely walk you through that. But in ELA, you can see this week has 4 lessons, this week has 5. It's just the way it kind of works out. So just really try to follow along with what is on this pacing guide. If you see a discrepancy between the pacing guide and the OLS, the online school, please let us know. That's a teacher error and we need to go in and fix that. So the pacing guide is the lessons you really should be working on. Okay. I think that's it. Again, please reach out if you have any questions. We would love to help you. Thank you.